Hi my lovely people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Mariam B. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Make sure you subscribe, you hit that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos. If you are returning subscribers, thank you very much, darlings. I really appreciate all the love, all the support. Without you guys, I won't be sitting here doing any video. So I'm saying a big thank you to you guys. For today's video, as you see on the title, is makeup no makeup tutorials. So if you are into makeup, this video is for you. If you are not into makeup, I'm very sorry, darling. You can jump and see my other videos. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go into the videos and you see how I create this cute, nice, easy look. It's good for everyday look. So guys, let's go. First, I'm going to use my MAC foundation. I'm going with 3 drops. Okay, 1. Oh no, too much. 2, 3. I don't need too much because it's makeup, no makeup tutorial. So I'm going with my foundation brush. I'm going to apply some like this. See? This foundation MAC is my best product. I always use. Like I have a, oh my god, I have a, how to call it, oily skin. So I feel smooth and nice with MAC product. With MAC product. The foundation finish strong. I get this one. It's a new one, but sometimes I feel that it's not my color. Yeah, it blends so nice on my skin. Okay, guys, see you. Wow! Look how this foundation blends so nice on my skin. Woo! Woo! Ladies, just have the look. Just have the look. How this foundation is blend so nice on my skin. As you can see, it blends so good, so nice. So next, I'm going with my concealer, with my MAC concealer. I'm going to apply some under my eye here. I don't need too much because you know what it is. It's a makeup, no makeup tutorial. So you need a little bit here and here, on the forehead, you understand? Forehead gang. I know my forehead is big. Yeah, you don't need to tell me. I know it's big. I know the forehead is big. So I'm going with my little brush. This is the most thing I love from MAC. That product blends so good. So good. So if you don't use MAC, just give it a try and see. Going with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. I'm going to apply the setting powder to all the places I use the concealer. All the place I apply the concealer. So here, I don't need too much before I close. You have setting powder on the forehead here. Okay. Now I'm going with the control. Let me show you guys the place I'm going to control. I don't need too much because this control is too wow, it's too much. So I just need a little bit here, push a little bit here, and here, and then like this. So I'm going with my control brush. I don't need it to be too much there. So for the nose, I'm going with this tiny brush. But this control brush is very big, and I want to make this nose to point so like it. Point. So now I'm coming to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this palette here. Okay, now you can see it properly. So I'm going to use this palette here to do my eyeshadow. This palette has a very nice colors inside. Look at this palette, guys. Wow. So first I'm going with this orange color here. I'm going with this orange color first. Not too much, just a little bit. Just a little here. You can see. I'm not going to dip my brush inside too much because these colors are pigmented colors. You don't need too much. You don't need too much. See, it's a very nice dark brown here. Where is it? This one. So I'm going to apply it here. Yeah. This look I'm looking for. I use only two colors. This orange one first, and the dark brown and the dark brown. Then I finish with the color. So I'm going to take this, yes, this gold here, just a little bit, this gold brown. Just a bit, not too much. Yeah. Just like this. You don't need it too much. You just need it easy, cool way to step out. Okay guys, so now it's time for mascara. I'm going to use this mascara from Benefit. This mascara is very good. Before I give a recommend to give a try, because if you do, you will enjoy it. Very good mascara. So second one. So now I apply my lashes already. So we'll go with the powder. I'm going to use my matte powder. Apply a little bit here on my neck. Mark. Okay, this is the blush I'm going to use. Okay, just a little bit here. Alright, okay. Just bit. Right, so I'm going to use the Too Faced highlight. I don't need too much on my face, just a little bit. Let me just do like this. Pum pum. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. So I don't need it anymore. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. So now I'm going with my lip liner. Or lip blush, whatever. Color is like this. So no, let me apply this one on top. Let me go with this. Let's see. I need something not too, you know, yeah, I need something like this, not too wow, no, something like So I'm going with my setting spray, my matte setting spray. So it's almost finished, but no worries. Yeah, so easy, nice, cool. Okay guys, this is the final look. As you can see, this makeup is so simple, cool, easy. It's good for everyday look, so I can step out with this in the daytime, in the afternoon, in the night. It's cool, it's nice. So if you love this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, comment below. So share the videos to family and friends, and see you guys in